Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see a clip packaging video. My beautiful client have ordered 5 different clips with different designs and colors. So let's jump into the video. So this is the first clip with purple kundan, square shaped kundan, white ceramic stones and also with pearls. Second hair clip is a black beauty with loaded square shaped kundan, and my customer said that this one was her favorite clip among all. The next one is my personal favorite. It has one big diamond and also green and white ceramic kundan with diamond chain. Next one is the red beauty with beautiful red flower. This one is simple but elegant, good to go with red saris. Oh, here comes the best cute little clip with blue color kundans and blue flower. It also has chain attached to it. Altogether, it gives the perfect look. Kindly guess the price and do comment. Truly obsessed with its outcome. Since it is going from Goa to Tamil Nadu, it needs to be cleanly wrapped with bubble wraps. Going to keep two clips together so that it fits in the box nicely. I have decided to pack red, green and blue separately as it has very sensitive designs and materials attached. I just don't want them to break in transit, so I preferred packing them in different wraps. It does not save any space in the box, but it also protects my clips from in transit damages. Here comes the blue clip. This is quite delicate. This one is quite delicate, so I need to pack it nicely. This was an urgent order, so I did not really get that 48 hours for my clips to perfectly stick. It really requires 48 hours, but due to the urgency, client requested to just pack and send it to the courier department as soon as possible. So we had no other option, so it just took 48 hours to stick. So I am little worried since it is a little delicate. Anything can happen in transit. Fingers crossed. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos.